at the start, I think when I was looking through Pinterest and all, I kind of have a color in mind that I want. Like it is mid-modern Scandi, around there, a bit Japan-y, a bit wabi-sabi. I think Chua from Rezt+Relax just helped to gel everything together. So I just gave her the color scheme and she know what style I was going for and she came out with everything and she named this mid-modern century. From the color scheme to the layout and how Chua actually planned for us in terms of the space, the storage space, I love everything.
It's not just storage that's important because it's very common, right? But we were very clear on what we want to store. And so Chua from Rezt+Relax planned everything in this space such that it looks spacious and everything feels very intentional, yet everything that needs to be hidden is hidden. The entire reno process was very smooth. Along the way, because we didn't plan for a lot of the appliances that we were going to buy for the house, so Chua was very helpful in helping us make sure like the doors don't install first before the fridge come in and or the doors are removable and stuff like that. That really make the whole process very, very easy.
I feel that Chua surprised us in many ways. First of all, she told us that she wanted to hack away our storeroom, which I was like, whoa, hold up, you know, like then where my mahjong table is gonna go, where all my barangs are gonna go. But when she came up with the solution, right, I'm like, this is something that I would have never thought of if I don't have an idea.
Chua is not going through any handbook. The handbook is us. She wants to make sure she is very certain of what we like.
Very
so I thought that was very nice. I think it takes a really very creative, resourceful and very experienced interior designer to be able to masterfully look at our layout and be able to say, okay, your kitchen will seem too narrow, this is what we'll need to do to open up. And then for the storage needs of what's missing, we will put it back here, we'll put it back here. And it's beyond just having a good aesthetic eye and project management, right? It's also the fact that I think she's very familiar with what materials there are out there, what are the different solutions that are already available, then we don't need to innovate. And I think she's also very familiar with what's possible when we are pushing carpentry works.
So I feel that the lifetime warranty is a big push for us because hinges will get like spoiled after a few years, right? And we have been in our previous house for 5 years and we realized that some of them are already going out. Yeah. So I think it's important for this lifetime warranty.
Very early on in the process, I met Wilson, which is one of the founders of Rezt+Relax, and he told me the same thing that he say lah. He tell all his customers, if there's anything wrong, anything you don't like in terms of defects or the way the ID is managing our home, he gave us his number and he said feel free to just text him and let him know anything. So it was very assuring. We actually never had to text him besides to just like, hey, thank you and let him know that I think his designer did a very good job.